Alright guys, you've made it this far. In this video we're going to be styling the slick back. It's going to be great. So for the styling process of this haircut, we'll be using a mini round brush, a Dyson blow dryer. We cannot forget the first hand all-purpose pomade. It's going to be very simple, guys. We're going to be using the blow dryer to add heat and tension to dry the hair and add volume where we want it. So start to the sides, we're really just going to blow that down, get it nice and slick. And a little volume in the front here, and to do that I'm scooping the hair out and pulling it out with the blow dryer. It's the combination of the heat and tension that adds the volume. So we're blow drying that other side. His hair over here really wants to grow forward, so that'll definitely be a little bit of a battle. Add a little bit of that volume here in the front. Alright, and I'm going to want to give him a little bit of a pump. I'm going to blow all this hair the opposite direction while I come in and get all this hair dry, guys. All right, and you can see it's already pretty much sitting like a pompadour. Now we're gonna add that First Hands all-purpose pomade. Love the stuff. It is my favorite pomade. It's not quite as shiny as most, but it's all natural base and it's amazing for your hair. It's not stripping the hair with alcohol. If anything, it's providing more nutrients for your hair. It's made out of all organic materials. And it's just amazing, man. And it smells amazing. All made out of essential oils and all that goodness. Yeah. So I'm taking that wide tooth comb. This allows the style to really accentuate the comb lines. Just like that. And that is the finished slick back with the little pump. Like I said before, guys, keep sticking around for the next group of videos. We are almost done. All right, guys, stick around.